Hi everybody, this video is on how to type answers into a test that's a Canvas test. So let me bring up the first question, and if you notice it says type this in exactly as you see it. So we're going to try to type it in exactly as we see it. The way we do that is you go to the pi symbol and it says insert math equation. So I'm going to go to the pi symbol and we get the equation box that pops up. Okay, so from here I'm going to click in the box, and we wanted to type in x plus 3 to the second power. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a parentheses, and watch what happens. I'm going to hit Shift F9 and a parentheses pop up. When you hit just one parentheses, the closing parentheses also pop up. So I just hit Shift F9. Now I'm going to type in x plus 3, x plus 3. I move my arrow button to the right, and it's not part of the equation anymore. Now I just want to do a power of 2. Now I just want to do a power of 2. So to do a power of 2, all you go right here is the superscript. This is a subscript, the lower letter in the lower part, and this is a superscript. So if I click on that, do you see how this little box moves up? Now, you can't type in the number yet. You have to click in the box and then type in 2. So that's my answer right there. If I hit insert equation, my equation goes into my answer box, and do you see how they match? I typed it in exactly as I see it. I'm going now to the next question, and it's a fraction, x plus 5 over 11. So I'm going to the pi symbol, insert math equation. So I have to start off with a fraction now. So the NM here, that's a fraction, click on that. And I forgot what the fraction was, x plus 5 over 11. So I have to type in the top, I'm clicking on the top box, x plus 5, make sure I get the plus in there, plus 5. And then I'm clicking on the bottom box, putting 11, and I hit insert, and my x plus 5 over 11 match up. Hey, that's good. Okay, going to the last. No, there's 4 questions altogether. So typing this in is a little bit more difficult. It's x plus 4 to the third power, then on the bottom x minus 3 and x plus 2 squared. Okay, so we're going to type in a fraction first. Go to the equation editor, get to a fraction, the NM, and you notice a fraction pops up. Okay, so I have to type in x plus 4 to the third power. First, type in my parentheses, and I'm inside my parentheses, and I'm going to type in x plus 4. Now to the third power, I'm going to arrow over to get out of the parentheses and raise it to the third power, superscript, right here, superscript. Click in your box, third power. Then I need to do the bottom, and the bottom is x minus 3, x plus 2 squared. So first I'm going to type in a parentheses, type in x minus 3. I'm going to arrow over, or you can arrow over or click over. Now I'm going to do another parentheses with x plus 2. And I have to raise this to the second power, so I click outside or arrow over, hit superscript, click on the box, in the box, 2, and we have what we have. Hit insert, and these two should match. They do. So everything looks good. Going down to the last one, it says x squared zw3 y3. X squared zw3 over y to the third power. So we're going to go back down into our answer box, hit the pi icon, go to, it's going to be a fraction, and we want to type in x squared, x, superscript, click on it, squared. Then I want to arrow over z, I think that was a z, Z and arrow. I don't need to arrow over, but I have to do W3. W. Raise to the, hit my superscript, click in the box, third power, and on the bottom, Y, raise to the superscript, click on the box, third power, and insert my equation, and these all look the same. Okay? So that's all you have to do. You shouldn't be typing more than that. I think that's probably the most detailed you'd have to type in for a test. So we pretty much covered everything we needed to. I just want to do another clue on this one. Let me just show you another helpful hint on this one. If you want to, you can hit the pi and type in a fraction. Now on the top, if I want to hit x square, I can actually hit x and then shift 6, the shift 6 button. And above the 6 is this arrow up button. Above the 6 is that arrow up button. So I'll just show you. Hit X and then shift number 6. It actually does the superscript for you. And then if I hit a 2, it goes into the box. I can arrow over, hit Z, then go back and I hit W to the third. W, shift 6, and then hit my 3 in there. So you can hit shift 6, which is that shift arrow up button. And the arrow up is right above the 6. So if you hit shift arrow up, it does a superscript for you automatically. Down here I can hit Y, arrow up, 3, and it types it straight in like that. All right, so there's my answers. By the way, this quiz doesn't give you any points or anything. You do have to do it though to practice before you take the test. So you need to be able to type in the correct answers for the test. So all my answers are submitted. You guys let me know if you have any questions.